Hello everybody, today I'm back in my house. Just got here and yesterday or 2 days ago I got something in the mail and I ordered it to help me with school. It is the Fidget Cube. And well, really all it is just a cube that has fidget things on it. So let's open it. Okay, so the first thing I want to notice before I open it is that these, I know what the things are for the fidget cube, but there's 6 sides and 6 pieces. So there's the click, the spin, the flip, the glide, the roll, and the breathe. So let's take it out and let's test out the first one. This one's kind of lame. Nothing really to do with that one. Let's test this one out. Oh. Wait. What? Oh. 2 of them aren't supposed to click. Anyways, the flip. Nice. The roll. Okay. And the joystick. This thing is really loud though. And then the spinny thing. But yeah, that's really all about it. That's really all it is. Anything else in the box? Like a paper or something? Yes, there it is. Okay. Okay. Got this little paper. So let me read it. What is Fidget Cube? Or what is a Fidget Cube? So, there. Okay. A Fidget Cube is a desk toy for anyone who likes to fidget. That's really all it is. It's like the most vague thing you could have. Okay, anyways. How to use it. It's simple. Fidget Cube has 6 sides. Oh, I just realized this works as a button too. Oh. Okay, anyways. Fidget Cube has 6 sides. Each side features something to fidget with. Yeah, pretty vague. Warranty. Fidget Cube are covered. Fidget Cube are covered. God. Spelling on this sometimes. Fidget Cube are covered in 3 month. No. Fidget Cube are covered by a 3-month limited warranty from the date of your purchase. What? The warranty will be void if there are any signs that the product has been physically damaged, dropped, or abused in any way. It's a little dusty, but they need to work on their spelling for this. Like, God. You can read it if you can. Try and read it. Sorry if it's a little blurry. It just doesn't want to focus. Anyways, here's the sides. So, the breathe says, say goodbye to any stress. The design of this face is inspired by the traditional worry stones, tools used to reduce anxiety when rubbed. I don't know why I did that. That was cool. The gears and ball on this side are all about rolling movements, with the ball sporting a built-in click feature. Don't they mean the gears? See? Anyways, spin. Looking for a circular fidgeter? Take the style for a spin. That's all you're gonna say? Anyways, click. No need to click that pen anymore. You'll find that 3 clicker buttons and 2 silence buttons on this side to satisfy the clicker in each of us. Help? I'll be right back. Okay, if you guys are wondering what happened, I just found a wasp flying into my room. Anyways, let's continue on. Glide. You don't have to be a gamer to enjoy the unusually satisfying gliding action of this joystick. The spin and the glide are kind of... They should call it a joystick, not a glide.
Did you miss your room?
What?
Did you miss your room?
A little bit.
What is that?
This? It's a fidget cube.
So what is it?
It's just a cube that you fidget with. I'll literally read the description on this. It says, Fidget cube is a desk toy for anyone who likes to fidget.
Oh, I see. It's just stuff to do.
Yep.
What? What's that? Most interesting.
It's a worry stone.
Cool. Got a worry stone.
Okay, finally we've got the flip, which is the switch. Okay. Pivot this switch back and forth gently if you're looking to fidget silently. or quick and more, or quickly for a more audible click. Oh yeah. You have to have both fingers on each side. And it still doesn't work that much. Alright, well, it's alright. It's still pretty good. Could be a very handy toy. Or fidget thing. There's the box. And that's really it. So overall, there are more designs, like black and white, red and black. There's cases for it too, but they don't really encase it that much. But yeah, lots of designs. Black and blue, I think. I'm gonna try and figure out how to make a. I'm gonna try and figure out the link to the place where I got this fidget cube. So, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you later. Bye.